what you focus all day long matters, because your brain is just like a garden. If you plant the seed for strawberry, you cannot expect to have tomatoes or potatoes or any other fruit out of that plant. Similarly, if your mind is involved and indulge in all the negativity all day long, you cannot expect to remain positive. You cannot stay positive at all. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about how can we stay positive? How can we train our brain? What are those things which we can avoid to make sure that we stay positive all day long and we can become highly productive? All I'm trying to say here is that your input is equal to your output. So if you consume all the negative news, you spend your time on social media and you're reading all the things which are not good for your brain, then you cannot have a positive output. You cannot expect a positive response from this. Well, I'm not trying to say here that you should not be informed. Well, while you should be informed about whatever is happening all around the world, but you should stay away from social media. See, you cannot be a social media zombie that you keep scrolling through everybody's post and just hang around there reading all the comments, whatever is happening, good, bad, and you just getting jumbled up. So you have to stay away from social media and you have to decide the kind of content that you want to visit on social media. You have to follow those kind of groups. You declutter yourself. You have to stay away from those campaigns, those pages which does not make you feel good. So you have to be very choosy when it comes to using the social media, and you're going to be choosy which social media as well. So this is something which you really need to pay a heed to. And the second point is that try to stay away from news. Don't get me wrong here. What I'm trying to say here is that you have to try to stay away from the news which does not make you feel good, because let me tell you one real thing which you may not be aware of. To be honest, our human brain is negative biased. It is attracted towards all the things which are happening negatively in the world. You know what? There is a reason why news channel shows all the negative news most of the time, because they get a lot of viewership, and if they get a lot of viewership, they make a lot of money from the ads. So why are you giving your precious time to them to watch those news which are not helping you? Well, this is my personal opinion. I'm not trying to say that you stop watching news. All I'm trying to say that you should stop watching all those news which are not making your day or which are breaking your day. So stay away from the negativity, because you want to see at the end of the day that you have been productive and you are feeling good while you go to the bed, and when you wake up in the morning you are feeling good again. Any person whom you talk to, if they make you feel like shit, stay away from those people. Well, I'm not saying that if somebody is of that kind of a person is in your family, just to stay away and avoid them. All I'm trying to say is that try to spend less time with those kind of people. Try to stay away from these kind of people, because they will drain out of your entire energy and you would not even know about that. So spend time with those like-minded people, the positive people who knows what you want, so that you will remain pepped up, you will remain motivated, and you will do better and better in your life. So all am I trying to say here is that if you're around the people who are making you feel bad once you're done talking to them, no point hanging around them. So my message today through this video is that start watching, reading, listening, anything and everything which will make you to the person who you really want to be, and stop watching, listening and reading anything and everything which will make you the person which you never wanted to be. So I hope this message makes sense to you. All I want that you stay positive, stay productive, and we know for a fact that this situation is not very favorable to any human being all across the world, but if you adopt these things, I'm pretty sure that you're going to live a positive life. So if you have any questions or any feedback, I would welcome them. You may want to leave them in the comment section. So this is your friend Tawseef Hassan signing off until we meet again.